Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide Facebook history from someone. We start by opening our Facebook app and entering our profile. Then, we will click on Add to Story or Create Story. Next, let's create our story as normal. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Before publishing the story, you have to click on the privacy option below. Here, since we only want to hide the story from one person, we will click on Hide Story From. Next, we will select the users from whom we want to hide the story. After this, we can return to the story and finish it and then publish it. We will have already hidden the story from someone specific on Facebook. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.